in there throughout. I'll probably put like 3 in or something, and I'll hang it on the pantry floor.
But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying.
Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is always, these kinds of videos are always my favorites to do, which is my fall clean and decorate. I have a lot of cleaning, I have a lot of decorating, so I'm super excited for today's video. If you like decorating videos, then definitely subscribe if you're new. Otherwise, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna kind of take you around and just show you the messes that I have to clean first. So I'm gonna try to get the cleaning done as soon as possible so I can get onto the decorate. To be more of a vlog type style video, so let me know if you like that. I'm going to try to do as minimal of a voiceover as possible. That makes it so that I can get the videos up sooner to my channel. So anywho, let's get started. So this is what I've been using. I like it, but I also feel like it kind of leaves some streaks sometimes. So I don't know. It smells really good though. It smells like literal Fruit Loops. I'm not joking. But yeah, let me know if you guys have a favorite quartz countertop cleaner. I would love to know.
There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying, don't be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying, don't be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the love and feel the rhythm.
Wait until I show you guys how messy the floor is. It is absurd. So I have a lot of sweeping to do, but I'm almost done with the countertops. It was so many spots and stains, it's ridiculous. And then we're almost done with the counters.
I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet, let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I'll take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher. You're my only desire, yeah. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the love and feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. Feel the rising heat, feel the moving beat. I know what you need. Singing oh na na, oh na na. Dancing in the sun, dancing all night long. Won't you come with me? Singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and
Okay, now I'm done wiping down the counters. I've got just a few dishes in the sink to get clean. Then I can sweep, then we can decorate.
If you come with me, come with me tonight. If you
Don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that good? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight.
Okay, so this is what I was going to show you guys. This is ridiculous. Look at all of this. I have so much to sweep, and it's literally all over. Okay, so when we first got these in, I thought that they came in a set of 2, but they only came with 1. So I bought 3 boxes thinking there were 3 sets so we could have 6 bar stools, but it was only 1 that came in each one. So, and of course when I went back to buy more, they're sold out. Lucky me. So I don't know, we're still just waiting. I keep on checking back and hoping that they'll come back in stock. But let me know what you guys think of these bar stools. When I first got them, I was thinking they were just a little too rustic. I don't know what y'all think it's given. I think it really goes with it, with like the floors and stuff. And I do like the fact that they have some like character to them. And I like the back because it has this little X, and I'm like, I can certainly hang some like little cute wreaths or bows or something when I'm decorating. So I think that is cute. I really wanted these bar stools from Target. It was Hearth and Hand line, but they were sold out. Every time they would come back in stock, it would just sell out super, super quick. So I wasn't able to get it, and I wasn't gonna just keep waiting. And now it's been a couple weeks and they still have not come back in stock. So I had to move on and find something else. But let me know, do you think it's given just too rustic? I don't know. I'm not really a rustic person. I'm more of I do like farmhouse, but like modern farmhouse. And I would kind of say my style is more of a modern farmhouse glam type of situation. I don't know. But anyway, let's sweep these doggone floors so we can get to decorating.
Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go. Maybe I need some space. Maybe I need some space.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let it go.
Hey, I finally feel like I'm at a place where I can actually start decorating. It took me forever to actually do the cleaning, but I'm glad that is done. Now I'm gonna bring some of my decorations over here so that we can get started. I think I'm gonna start with decorating over here on the island first. Probably bring my vase over and start with that.
Come in, babe, I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby, I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising in the stars.
I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna add these orange ones in there too. I'm gonna try to put it in the back and then just kind of fan it out and see how it looks.
By the lights out, we get this feeling, oh so right, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, you're all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking.
Oh my gosh. I love these branches, but they get so tangled around everything. Let's see if I can try to just add it right in the middle. And then just kind of fan it out. This needs to go forward. I don't know why they all keep going over there to that side.
Ooh, keep it coming,
What do you guys think? I think this is
mind
super cute.
another
I think it came out great.
drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel
Right. So what are we thinking about this little area here? Let me tell you, I lit it. That smells so good. Like, oh, here we go. Pumpkin vanilla latte. It smells amazing. All right, let's move on to this area of the kitchen. It's a pumpkin pie recipe, actually. Super cute. I got this a couple, maybe last year from Hobby Lobby. But I think it'll go cute here. Okay, I think I like that. Yeah, I think that's cute. And then I think that looks like I need to clean it. I'm gonna use this little stainless steel cleaner here.
Baby, I was hoping maybe now you crossed my path. I've been
I
saying
think this sign will go perfect right here.
going off to different places.
I think I'm gonna add these dish towels over here because this like little brownish maroon kind of plays off the copper sign. So let's do that.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees.
I'd go with this one because I think it'll look really cute and play off of the white and gold over there. Unless I do this.
Going off to different places, different planets. What should aura pass me by? Losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if
Tier tray time. Which, let me turn on the under cabinet lighting because it's kind of dark. There we go. Let's see. Things I have for the tier tray.
talk to me nice?
Look at this cute little like pumpkin spice little drink I got from Amazon. And then this one too. Love it. I'm gonna see, I'm not even sure if these leaves will work or not.
I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Ooh,
pretty much done in here. But I have a wreath here that I'm gonna hang on my pantry door. I found a suction cup, so I'm gonna use that. Ooh. And, okay. So here it is. I think it's super gorgeous. I also bought these like little gold glitter picks. I'm gonna put in there throughout. I'll probably put like 3 in or something, and I'll hang it on the pantry door. Okay. I think that turned out super cute. Let's hang it up. I think I might have, maybe I should have hung it up higher. I think I am gonna move it.
I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make
To put leaves up there.
this time, maybe we're doomed. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late. Try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. I don't know why it's so damn hard being there for each other and showing you my true colors, yeah. I don't know why it's difficult. I'm trying to make amends, but it doesn't seem to help, no. Can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it can't wait, maybe it's time, maybe we're doomed. I try to pull you closer, 'cause I don't wanna go yet, but maybe it's too late to figure it out, to make it through. Maybe it's too late. Maybe it's too late.
Alright you guys, so that's all I have for today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite area was that I decorated. I think I'm in love with how my tier tray came out. I think it is super, super cute. So, new here, definitely do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in a brand new video. Bye.